Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm back with a red Aspen. So let me get to, I didn't have my scissors in here, but I have some others. So, alrighty, well, let's see what we have. Okay, ooh, lots of stuffing. Yikes, I don't ever remember them having stuffing. I'm sure they do, I just forgot. Well, you know what, let me just do it. Okay. That would be easier, right? Ooh, look at all the goodies. Okay, let me get that out. Okay, that and that. Okay, now, all right, I'm going to put as much of this back here as I can, and I'm going to let that go. All right, so now, let's look. Ooh, so this is the Marvelous Madeline, and nope, that's a different one. So that one's a little bit more cocoa, and I am super excited to try those. Look what I got for spring. And I think there's enough in here that my daughter her hands are smaller, and so she'll be able to use them too because she loves butterflies. She doesn't know yet. And then I got this one because they now have a glitter nail in there. I'm super excited. I love that, and I can't wait to play with that. Hold on, and this is all red Aspen, guys. And then this one is the Winnie's in White Sands. So there's a white, there's like a ballerina slipper pink, and I wanted something in between. So, because sometimes you want white, sometimes you don't, you know? And then this is just silver glitter. I know, isn't that fun? And I thought these would be darling signature nails. So that is it. This is my red Aspen haul. If you guys are not familiar with red Aspen nails, I am I don't know, advisor, distributor, whatever you want to call them. But I love them. They are fantastic. They are durable. They are a press-on nail. And I never in my whole life thought I would be ever wearing a press-on nail. When I grew up, my mother talked about how bad they were, I'm going to tell you, for the person who used to pay for gel nails, for dipped nails, for all of that, and I didn't do that for a long, long time. I just did it when our daughter got married because my nails were not good. After my parents passed away, I was just in such bad health. And I just have to tell you that these have made everything so much easier. They are easy to use, easy to keep up. They're reusable. They're affordable. They look nice. I think they look nice. Everybody always comments, and I'm just thrilled to have found them. And I'm going to push that up so you can see those. Sorry. And I just have to say, I know that a lot of you are back out. We are still sheltered in. So things like this, I can do at home. I can do by myself. It saves me tons of money, tons of time. Okay, so hold on. Let me back it up. I used to drive. Hear what I'm saying? I was going to say 20 minutes, but it's not. It's like almost 30 minutes each way to the nail salon, because I would go to this one salon that was expensive, but not crazy expensive, and they were good. And I loved there were two girls who did my nails, and I really did love them. They were the sweetest girls. And, talk about the Lord, they were the sweetest girls. But I have to tell you, it cost me a fortune. And one of the girls would never charge me the full amount. It didn't dawn on me till later. She was never charging me because I'd always leave a tip. She would never charge me full amount. But it was an hour driving just to get my nails done. Now I literally reach in my drawer. Let me show you. Pull out my little kits, and voila, that's it. I'm done. I keep my alcohol pads in here to take them off, to clean them up. I have the glue over here because they don't quite fit in here. I have my sticks. I have my extra nails, and that's just a little screwdriver. It just fit in there. And these I get for $1, and they open on both sides. I get these at Walmart, and that's it. And seriously, I just wear my nails over and over. I clean them up. I wash them. I do everything you're supposed to do. I let my nails usually breathe overnight if I can, unless I have like one nail that came off, because I'm really hard on my nails. Think about it. I garden, I craft, I live in the country. Those three things alone, any one of those would do it. And but I will tell you that they have been a lifesaver, time wise, kind of personal care wise. And it just, when I look down and I see my nails done, I just feel good. I don't know what it is. So, okay, friends, my links for everything are down below always. And in every video I do on this channel, I always try to list whatever nail I'm wearing at the time. So, because I always get messages like, what is that nail? What color is that polish? Well, it's not a polish. It's a press-on nail. So, and these are the Red Aspen Love nail dashes. And I always do the squares. I like them short and square. You can do all kinds of sizes. There are long, like coffin style, long style. There is a like medium rounded, and yeah, I mean, they've got everything. So there's also other goodies on the website. There's makeup, there's eyelashes, there's all kinds of stuff. So I don't do eyelashes, but I have used some of the makeup. The makeup's really nice. So, but I hope you will find something that if you need a pick-me-up, this is an inexpensive thing to do, and I hope you'll enjoy it and do a little something for yourself. It's very affordable, and yeah, and just be really careful as you do your nails, make sure everything's very clean. That's why I use alcohol wipes for everything. And I buy those. Those are very inexpensive at my grocery store. I think I get like 200 for, I don't know, $2. I mean, they're very cheap. And they're just little alcohol prep pads. So I'm not taking alcohol from anybody who needs it in a hospital setting or anything. And yeah, that's what I have. This is how I do it. So anyways, okay, friends, like, subscribe, hit that notification, bell down below, and leave a comment. Tell me, which of these do you like the best? I know. It's so hard to pick. I know. I got these because I want these in the fall. I really do. I love those. But yeah, I really like those. I don't know. I may wear them this summer. Who knows? But probably for the fall. So, okay, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this, when you see things like this, it encouraged you today. And take a little time to take care of yourself, okay? You know, as a Christian, we're told to do that in Scripture. And whether you believe that or not, or you're not a Christian, you need to take care of yourself right now. It's been a rough year, and we all know it. Looks like it's going to be a lot going on this spring and summer, and that's okay. That's okay. So just take some time and take care of yourself. And even if it's painting your nails or soaking in a tub or getting your sparkling cider and soak it in a tub and lighting a candle or whatever you like to drink, do it. Promise me. And if you did it because you heard me encourage you, leave a comment below. Okay? That would be so neat to know you were encouraged, because that's what this channel's about, is encouraging each other. Okay, friends, I'll be talking to you soon. Pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Love y'all. Be safe. Bye-bye.